Hold up, before you click away thinking boring sedan comparison, I'm about to tell you something that'll make you question everything you know about these cars. The Honda Accord just got absolutely destroyed by the Nissan Altima in a category nobody saw coming.
Well, hello there, viewers. I'm the Honda Accord, your dependable, sensible choice. I've been America's sweetheart for decades because I just work every single time.
Yeah, we get it, Honda. You're reliable. But I'm the Nissan Altima, baby. I'm everywhere. Airport rentals, Uber fleets, your neighbor's driveway. I'm living my best life while you're sitting pretty in suburbia.
Today we're settling this once and for all. Is the Accord really the better buy, or is the Altima secretly the smartest choice? But first, smash that like button if you think the Accord wins, or comment Team Altima if you're brave enough to defend the rental king.
This should be easy.
Famous last words, Honda boy.
Because coming up, we'll see which car has the secret weapon that changes everything, why one of these cars is living a lie, and which owner is getting the last laugh at 100,000 miles. Trust me, you do not want to miss the final twist.
Round 1, let's talk power, because apparently these family sedans think they're sports cars now.
Well, I'm packing a turbocharged 1.5-liter, making 192 horsepower. Smooth, refined, efficient, everything a mature buyer wants.
Excuse me? Did this dude just call me immature? I've got a 2.5 liter putting out 188 horses. Sure, it's 4 less, but who's counting?
Accord hit 0 to 60 in 7.3 seconds. Altima clocks in at 7.6 seconds.
0.3 seconds. That's like one heartbeat. Nobody's timing their grocery store runs.
Every millisecond matters when you're merging onto I-95.
But here's where it gets interesting. Accord gets 32 city, 42 highway. Altima manages 28 city, 39 highway.
Okay, so I drink a little more gas. I've got character. I've got personality.
You've got a thirst problem.
Accord takes round 1, but Altima's not sweating it. Little does Honda know what's coming next.
Round 2, who's got more room for your life? And this is where things get heated.
Observe my 105.6 cubic feet of passenger space, mathematically superior seating for adults.
Oh, we're playing the numbers game? I've got 100.8 cubic feet. Yeah, 5 less, but check this out. 0 gravity seats, baby. NASA inspired. I'm literally giving people the astronaut experience.
Marketing gimmick. My seats are ergonomically tested by real engineers.
Real engineers? These seats are space technology.
Trunk space, Accord's packing 16.7 cubic feet, Altima's got 15.4.
More groceries, more golf clubs, more life.
Who needs extra trunk space when you're floating on Cloud 9 in my cabin?
But here's where Accord starts flexing. Interior materials, build quality, that Honda attention to detail.
Soft touch surfaces, logical controls, everything where it should be.
My dashboard it's got character. Some people call it plasticky. I call it durable.
Accord takes round 2, but don't count out the Altima yet, because what I'm about to reveal will shock you. Hold up. Before we crown the Accord King of Sedans, let's talk about the elephant in the room, your wallet. 2024. Accord starts at $27,295. 2024. Altima starts at $25,300.
Oh, what's that? Can't hear you over the sound of me saving people $2,000.
Well, yes, but you get what you pay for.
$2,000 buys a lot of gas, Honda. A lot of coffee, maybe even a vacation.
But here's where it gets really interesting. 5-year ownership costs.
My resale value is legendary. KBB says I hold 58% of my value after 5 years.
I hold some of my value. Look, depreciation is just numbers on paper.
JD Power Reliability. Accord scores 83 out of 100. Altima scores 78.
5 points. 5 points. That's like getting an A- instead of an A+.
In reliability, every point matters. That's the difference between roadside assistance and making it home.
Average annual maintenance, Accord, $428. Altima, $483.
Okay, so I'm a little more high maintenance.
A little?
But wait, there's one more category that changes everything.
Final round, real-world performance, because specs don't mean anything if these cars can't handle American life. Highway comfort on a 6-hour road trip.
Quiet cabin, stable ride. You arrive refreshed and ready.
Those zero-gravity seats, though, your back will thank me at hour 4.
City maneuverability, tight parking, stop-and-go traffic.
I'm nimble. I fit everywhere. Parking garage, no problem.
I'm precise. Predictable steering, confident braking.
Tech integration. Who's got the better infotainment?
My system is intuitive. Honda Sensing comes standard. It's like having a co-pilot.
I've got ProPilot Assist, semi-autonomous driving. I'm practically a Tesla.
You're really not.
Family hauling, car seats, strollers, soccer equipment.
Easy installation, latch anchors, perfectly positioned, room for growth.
I haul families too. Rental families, rideshare families, all the families.
But here comes the ultimate test. Which car do their own owners actually recommend? This is it, the moment of truth. Owner satisfaction surveys, because real people don't lie.
Consumer Reports owner satisfaction. I score 4 out of 5. My owners love me.
I score 3 out of 5, which is above average.
But here's the crazy part. Despite all the numbers, both cars are selling like hotcakes. Accord moved 202,000 units last year. Altima sold 189,000.
See? People love me. I'm the people's champion.
Quality over quantity, my friend.
10-year total cost of ownership. This is where the real winner emerges.
Lower maintenance, better resale, fewer repairs. I'm the clear choice for smart money.
But I get people into a reliable sedan for less up front. Not everyone has Honda money.
And there it is, folks. The truth. This isn't really about which car is better. It's about which car fits your life.
So who wins? Well, that depends on who you are.
If you want the safe choice, the smart long-term investment, the car that'll treat you right for 200,000 miles, I'm your sedan.
If you need to get into something reliable today, without breaking the bank, and you don't mind a little extra personality, I'm here for you.
The real winner? You, because both of these cars will get you where you need to go reliably. The Accord is the honor student, does everything right, costs more up front but pays you back. The Altima is the scrappy underdog, gets the job done for less money up front. Choose Accord if you're playing the long game. Choose Altima if you need value today. Both beat luxury cars costing twice as much.
Been a pleasure schooling you, Altima.
Hey, I held my own. Plus, I'm everywhere. That's gotta count for something.
Smash that like button if Team Accord won you over, or comment Team Altima if you're riding with the Rental King. Subscribe for more car battles, and next week we're settling the ultimate truck war, F-150 versus Silverado versus Ram. And one of them is about to get absolutely roasted.
Oh, that's gonna be good.